Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about chainless foundations. I'm going to show you how to create single, half double, and double crochet chainless foundations. So let's start with the single. You've got your slip knot on your hook and you will chain one. That's the chain that you will be going into. Then you will chain the number of chains that correspond to the height of the stitch that you're making. So for single crochet, it's 1 stitch, 1 chain. For half double, it's 2. And for double, it's 3. So I've got 2 chains on my hook. I'm gonna go into the bottom loop of the chain, the first chain that we made, so that I have 2 strands on my hook. And now I'm basically going to create an extended single crochet. So yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over through 1, creating a chain, yarn over through 2, completing the single crochet. Let's do that again. We go into that chain that we create with extended double crochet. Oh, my yarn is splitting. There we go. Go into that chain that we've created, and we got 2 strands on the hook here. Yarn over, pull up a loop, and then we create an extended single crochet. One more time. Into that chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over through 1, yarn over through 2. And as you can see, it creates a very tidy edge. This is what the base, the foundation looks like. Let's do a half double. So I've got my swatch here. Once again, this is the bottom, very nice and tidy. And for a half double, we do a yarn over. I'm gonna go into that chain that I've created with an extended stitch. So yarn over, pull up a loop. We have 3 loops. Yarn over through 1, creating a chain. Yarn over through all 3 stitches. And you carry on like that. And let's do a double. So this is what the double looks like. Yarn over, go into the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. We've got 3 loops. Yarn over through 1, creating a chain. Yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. So there you go. These are the chainless foundations in 3 sizes: double crochet, half double crochet, and a single crochet.